Hello everyone. If you are a Telegram channel owner and in monetization section you see your balance is zero and your channel is not making money, in this video I will answer your question why your channel balance is zero. Now for answer that question we must go to Telegram advertiser platform ads.telegram.org. After you register in this platform, which means create for advertiser, you see advertiser can target a specific channel, which means they can choose which channel show their ads. So basically they are select just famous channel, bigger channel with a lot of members. And if your channel is small or not famous, you can receive any money because advertiser not choose your channel. Unfortunately, Telegram is very different with YouTube or other platform and just made for big channel and advertiser to target their audience directly. And maybe you have another question. For example, if your channel show ads but your balance also is zero and you ask why my channel is not making money, the answer is simple. If you read this note, Telegram shares 15% of revenue from ads display in your channel, which means Telegram just pay you for those ads advertiser pay for it, and other ads belong to Telegram, and because no one pay for that and Telegram doesn't share 15% of revenue with you. Unfortunately, in this time Telegram ignore a small channel and just provide a platform for bigger channel and for advertiser to directly choose their audience. I hope in the future Telegram think about a small channel. Also, if you have another question, just comment and I will answer you quickly. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.